Before factory resetting your consumer cellular phone, backing up your data is crucial to prevent data loss. Use built-in tools like Google Backup for Android or iCloud for iOS to save your contacts, photos, apps, and settings. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, System Backup. On iOS devices, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now. Consumer Cellular recommends manual backups for carrier-specific data, such as saved voicemails or account preferences, through their app or website. Ensure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi during the backup process and that it's adequately charged at least 50%. AI-assisted reset tools can predict and auto-backup data, simplifying the process, but manual verification is still recommended. Skipping this step can lead to permanent data loss. To factory reset your consumer cellular phone, the process varies slightly between Android and iOS devices. For Android phones like Samsung Galaxy or Motorola Moto, go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Erase All Data Factory Reset. You may need to confirm with your PIN or pattern. For iPhones, navigate to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase All Content and Settings. iOS 18 and newer versions include a secure erase option for extra data wiping. After the reset, your phone will return to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all user data, apps, and customizations. Once complete, reactivate your consumer cellular service by reinserting the SIM card, powering on the device, and following the on-screen prompts. Then, restore your data from your backup using Google Drive or iCloud. Ensure you know your account credentials before starting the process. Contact Consumer Cellular Support at 1-888-345-5509 if you encounter any issues, particularly if your phone is carrier locked.